Hello, welcome. Today we're going to continue with the jubep 2015 biology past question. Question 6. The function of the ribosomes in cell is A. Protein synthesis, B. Starch synthesis, C. Transport of materials, D. Lipid storage. The correct answer here is A. Protein synthesis. These ribosomes is found in the walls of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the part of the cell responsible for starch synthesis is the starch granules, and is usually found in the plant cell, not the animal cell. The part of the cell responsible for transport of materials is the smooth, notice I said smooth, endoplasmic reticulum, while the part of the cell responsible for lipid storage is the Golgi body. So hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you.